Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Anna's vlog. What you'll be needing for this arc is just an iron sponge, water and a bowl. It's just a simple arc. Like when you want to make your potatoes, you don't have to start using your knife to start cutting it. So I'm going to be making use of an iron sponge. I'm going to use the iron sponge to scrub the body of the potatoes. As you can see, it is now very neat and it is looking fine. Okay, so you're going to put them in a plate and you're going to start cutting the roadside away, and after this I am going to slice the potatoes. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and give these videos a thumbs up. After slicing these potatoes, you are going to rinse it with a fresh neat water. You can rinse it like 2 times or more than 2 times. So after this process, you're going to put it in an empty bowl. Then light your cooker or your cooking gas. Put water inside the pot. It's just a small quantity of water potato needs to get boiled. Once it starts boiling, you're going to use your spoon or fork to check the potato if it is getting soft or not. Once the potatoes are ready, you will notice there's a wrap in the body of the potatoes and it is removing by itself. You don't even have to start struggling to remove it. Remove it, then put it inside your plate, and you can eat it with anything of your choice. You can make use of fried egg, you can make use of fried stew or beans or any nice thing you can use. So thank you guys for watching today's video.